Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and combining the dry base. This ensures consistent flavor and dissolvability. Use 1 cup unsweetened cocoa, 1 cup powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup powdered milk. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons cornstarch to prevent clumping. Once done, sift the mixture twice into a bowl to aerate and break any lumps so the powder disperses cleanly in liquid. Make sure to mix thoroughly so each scoop later has balanced sweetness, creaminess, and chocolate intensity. Now enhance flavor and stabilize texture by adding small concentrated elements. A tablespoon of instant espresso or a teaspoon of vanilla powder deepens chocolate notes, while 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon or a pinch of cayenne adds warmth. Once added, transfer everything to a high-speed blender and pulse for 10 to 15 seconds to evenly distribute micronized ingredients. This prevents pockets of sugar or cocoa. After blending, smell the mix to confirm balance, and adjust a teaspoon of. Finish by transferring the powder into a dry, airtight container and label it with the date. Homemade mixes stay best for about 3 months. To make a cup, stir 3 tablespoons of powder into 8 ounces of hot milk or water, whisking or frothing until smooth. Hot liquid helps the cornstarch activate and the cocoa bloom. If you see lumps, heat the liquid slightly and whisk vigorously, or use a milk frother. This breaks clumps and restores silky texture without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.